If you want to make an extra $1,000 on Amazon KDP uploading Christmas low content book, then watch this video. December is a festive period, and many people on Amazon, they want to buy books that talk about Christmas, books related to Christmas, which means the Christmas books actually sells. And you understand the number one rule of making money, you don't just create something, you look for what is in high demand and you create a solution for it. So this is the exact reason why it will be very easy for you to generate an extra $1,000 on Amazon as festive period is fast approaching. All you have to do is look for books related to Christmas that people are searching for. People will definitely buy these books because Christmas is coming and it's fast approaching, which means if you can create books like this and you can publish them, you are going to sell those books successfully on Amazon KDP and make money for yourself. The good news is these books are not just for a particular year, which means if you create your book for 2022 December and it sells very well, when it's another Christmas period in 2023, you are still going to make money from the same book. When it's 2024, you are still going to make money. It is like evergreen anytime there is festive period, anytime it is Christmas. And if you do this, you are going to keep generating money from this book reoccurring. I think this sounds amazing. So why don't you try it out? I know what you might be thinking right now is how do I get the books? How do I know the books that sells? How do I create the book? Well, you can actually do your research to actually verify things because in business, when it comes to making money, there is nothing like assumption. There must be data that justify any action that you want to take to make sure that this actually works. One of the keywords that I use to research on Amazon KDP is keyword.io. Keyword.io. Just as you can see in my browser, keyword.io. Maybe I should paste this in the Google Doc so you can see that clearly. Keyword.io. Applying this particular software right here, you will be able to search for keywords that are selling on Amazon when it comes to Christmas low content book or any other kind of book that you want. Then you go to Amazon, go search them out, and also get niche that actually sells. So you can see on keyword.io, we have for Google, we have for YouTube, for Amazon, for Bing, Yandex, and a lot more. So all I'm going to do right now is to switch to Amazon so that I actually search specifically on Amazon. By the way, before I start searching, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you are enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. All right, let us continue. So now I switch to Amazon and I can actually search right here. So I'm going to search for Christmas. I'm going to search for Christmas book. And let's see the result. Do not forget, when it comes to Amazon KDP, United States, USA is your targeted audience because they have the highest purchasing power and they carry the largest population on Amazon. So it's not really about the country, but make sure that the people that you want to target have high purchasing power. And also, there are people that actually pay for it. There is no reason going for a particular location when you know that these people are not active on the platform I want to work on. So let us see some suggested keyword right here. You can see some suggested keyword that are actually kind of selling on Amazon. This keyword might not be 100% accurate, and I'm not saying it's 100% accurate. The main purpose of software, rather, I'm not saying this software is 100% accurate. The main purpose of softwares like this is to give you hints and idea that will actually help your human research. So now that we have more than 200 keywords of Christmas book, it's time that we go to Amazon and search for many of these books. Just check this out. Christmas book about Jesus. Like these are things that people always search for every year. Some people even want to know the whole story about Jesus. Why do we celebrate Christmas? Why is Christmas important? And a whole lot of things because they don't want to just believe that it's normal. So they come to Amazon to find low content book that actually sells like that. If you create this kind of book, can you see that it's going to sell? But like I said, assumption don't sell. You have to verify things. So let me go straight to Amazon.com. All right. While waiting for this thing to load, if you are enjoying this video, why not comment Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP. It helps the YouTube algorithm to take the videos to more people who are going to like it. And boom, all of us win. Thanks for typing. Thanks for sending that. I can see you saying Amazon KDP. All right. So now we're on Amazon. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to switch to Kindle store so that I only get products for books alone. For books alone, Kindle store. And right here, I have United States. It is very important. So one of the keywords that I have here is what I'm going to type here. So let me just copy this. I have Christmas book about Jesus. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to come to Amazon and paste it there. So now it's loading, and you are going to see a lot of books that are selling now from here. I think it's making a lot of sense. So now you start seeing the first Christmas lift, blah blah blah, law of book right there. I don't want us to look at the one that are sponsored because you might think, oh, this person used money to sponsor it. So let us just take our time, and you can see this person. You can see all these books, 2009. These books now, this is a proof right here. We search for Christmas, all about Jesus, and boom, this is 3 to 5 years. This book have sold is I'm not sure about the numbers of sales, but let us count from review. This is 373 reviews right here for this book. That means probably over 400 sales since 2015. And this is Christmas period again. I search and this book pops up. The same thing applicable to some other books that are here, which means if you create your book now, there's high tendency that next year you still make money, upper year you still make money. And these are the things I love. Something like passive income that I just open my account probably on Christmas Day while others are busy spending their last card going in debt to pay bills. I'm making money, you understand what I mean? So, and that's it. So let us search for a different keyword this time around so we can actually get some things. So we have 12 days of Christmas book right there. 12 days of Christmas book by James We don't want to put this name here because this is the name of an author. Let us just search for 12 days of Christmas book. So now we have some data again to verify that Christmas book sells in every festive period when it's December. So look at this. This person published this book in October 3, 2022. October 3. I'm making this video in December. This is like November, December, like not up to 2 months. Let me just say 2 months, 2 months. And more than 2,000 sales. More than 2,000 sales from this book within 2 months because it talks about Christmas, talks about holiday, things people need to know, reading for generation, and lots more. And guess what? Next year, this book will also pops up to be among the books too, and lots more. So in case because of time, I won't be able to search for all the keyword in keyword.io. But can you see the way keyword.io gives you idea of books to create? Now, it is not a must that your own book be in content, your own book can be coloring book, it can be whatever. So far it is selling, just create the book and boom, publish it. In case you don't know how to publish a book or you don't know how to publish a book, I'm going to attach a link in the comment section or in the video description on how I published my own book successfully and using my one of my book by the way. And also probably you don't know how to create a KDP account, verifying your account, those basic stuff. I'm going to attach links there. And that's it. If I should start searching for other keywords here, I'm going to have a lot of idea now behind what actually sells, and that's it. So, in case you want to make money in 2023, I know you want to make money. So, just don't just go for something and think, oh, this is passion. Nobody cares about your passion. If nobody wants your passion, only you will be vying for yourself. So anything you want to go for, make sure that people are actually looking for it. There is demand for it. And when there is demand, create a solution for it. The same way I made this video. I made this video because I know people will search for it. I've made my research and I provide a solution. Now you are watching. Do you see that? So that's it. So till next time, do not forget to keep showing up consistently. I love you. Subscribe to this channel to show some love in return. Till next time, stay jiggy.